So far, Judge, this is what I can show the court. This is what the file looks like. It's a 16 count indictment on a theft case. We are in the process of negotiating a possible plea deal with the state. I've conferred with Mr. Duffy over here. We've asked the court if we could get one more setting because my client may have some potential mitigating evidence to some of this. So again, we could just ask the court for a little bit more time on this. I think this will put us in a better position as to know if we're going to be completely taking this to trial or if we will work something out.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 45-day reset. This will be the final date for discovery.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
August 28th.
All right, August 28th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Thank you. All right, just have a seat and your attorney will bring the reset form to you.
I'm sorry for the theatrics, but
Yeah.
Oh, no, okay. I'm telling you, I need to know.
this is what we've been working with.
Now I need to know because sometimes you're like, it's a theft case, you know?
Theft case, 16 different complainants.
Right. Carlos Anthony White. Hi. All right, where's your client? So where are we on mental health support?
So we had a staff,
Everyone, please whisper.
so I was present for the staffing with that occurred, I think, last Monday or Tuesday, the day after we were here last time. I have not been given a decision yet,
Okay.
but Mr. White's needs are pretty significant. He is 100% willing to participate. They're looking into placement for him.
All right,
So-
so what we'll do then is they should probably have information for us in about 2 weeks.
I was thinking that I just sent an email.
And if they have it before then, we'll let you know.
Right. that's
All
it.
right, I need a 2-week reset.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, July 28th.
Okay, that works.
All right, we're gonna bring you back on July 28th. By then, we should have information from mental health court, okay? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're
May I have the
welcome.
excuse, please?
Yes.
Awesome. Thanks.
Okay, thank you.
Val?
July 28th. All right, who's here on? Early Hernandez? And after Early Hernandez, it will be Christine Hernandez, Larry Smith, Christopher Bernal, and Raphael. You know, I'm going to ask if you speak Spanish fluently. It's required. We know the answer. Are there any applications in this case?
Application for the first, yes.
Okay. All right, court is calling 2025 CR 001802A and 2025 CR 001801B, State versus Early Josuel Ramirez Hernandez. Can I have parties announced?
Please raise your hand for the state, Your Honor.
Rafael Leal for Mr. Ramirez Hernandez, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Ramirez Hernandez?
See,
Yes.
All right, we have an interpreter here. If you could raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. Mr. Leal, do you speak Spanish?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Do you speak it fluently?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you been able to communicate with your client in Spanish?
Yes, I have.
And the documents that I'm going to review with him, were those documents explained to him in Spanish?
Yes,
Mr. Ramirez Hernandez, I'm going to go over the documents with you. All of the documents are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Spanish?
Yeah.
All right, so here's the thing. I don't know a lot of Spanish, but I know yes is not Spanish. So either we're going to use the interpreter or not. So either it's going to be sí or not. Do you understand?
Nomás hablo en español.
Do you understand?
Sí,
Yes,
So do you want to use the interpreter or no?
sí.
yes,
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Ramirez Hernandez, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Sí,
yes,
And each of the cause numbers, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictments?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictments as presented?
Yes,
yes, we are, Your Honor.
Okay. And each of the cause numbers, Mr. Ramirez Hernandez, did you review the admonishments and admonitions and waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
yes,
In each cause number, you're charged with aggravated robbery. That's a first-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
yes,
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you are giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Sí,
yes,
Did you understand in each of these cause numbers, if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
yes,
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
yes, Your Honor. He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he was and is currently competent.
Mr. Ramirez Hernandez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
no,
no,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
no,
no,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
sí,
yes,
Are you a U.S. citizen?
no,
no,
Counsel, have you explained to your client or had an attorney explain to him the consequences of entering a plea in this case and its impact on his immigration status?
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, there is a Padilla letter that I requested and was provided to me.
All right. Mr. Ramirez Hernandez, did you understand that by entering into this plea bargain agreement, you will be deported and not allowed to re-enter the United States?
sí,
yes,
Did you understand that you will be denied naturalization?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes,
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 12 years in the prison. The state is silent on your application for deferred adjudication. The cases will run concurrently and also run concurrently with 2024 CC 41987. State is taking in consideration 2025 CR 001800B, 2025 CR 001830, 2024 CC 742954. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
And did you understand if the court finds that there was a weapon used, then the court will make an affirmative finding of deadly weapon? Did you understand that?
Yes.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, sir.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Oh, I am so sorry. Let's go back. Thank you, counsel. Just one moment. Cindy, your link went down on me.
I still got the internet.
Okay,
Let's see if I can send it again.
all right. I'm reading it, and then all of a sudden, it stops.
No, I copied something.
All right, all right. It's back up.
Okay, good.
Thank you. All right, so you understand by signing those waivers, that you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then in each cause number, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me pongo los pelos.
No contest.
All right. State, any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all the attachments in the cases.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may excuse.
Thank
Could I
you.
have a file stamp for a plea, please? All right, did you review the documents entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes.
Did he review them, counsel?
Yes, he did, Judge.
Right.
Just been
Again,
some time ago that
yeah,
I probably not something.
I know it's been since May. All right. Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Time to break this one down. The latest hearing in the case of Early Josuel Ramirez Hernandez tied together the threads of a long, difficult saga 1 involving aggravated robbery charges, a detailed plea bargain, and the weighty consequences of a young man's past catching up with him. Judge Boyd presided as always with calm control and meticulous attention to due process. We learned this was a multi-case plea covering multiple aggravated robbery charges with an affirmative deadly weapon finding. Mr. Ramirez Hernandez entered no contest pleas in each case, with a sentencing cap of 12 years and all cases to run, concurrently including those taken into consideration from separate dockets. The court was careful in laying out the legal landscape. Ramirez was reminded that by entering this plea, he would be deported, barred from reentry to the U.S., and denied naturalization. His responses throughout were cooperative, measured, and respectful, though the interpreter situation early on did cause a brief moment of courtroom comedy. Judge Boyd didn't miss it, catching a yes in place of a C, and quickly reestablishing clarity with her characteristic dry wit. What stood out was the thoroughness of the plea process. Every waiver, every admonishment was confirmed and acknowledged. This wasn't rushed. It was methodical. And while the facts of the case are serious, The tone in court remained orderly and focused. It's worth noting that Judge Boyd consistently balanced firmness with fairness, making sure Ramirez Hernandez understood not just the charges, but the full immigration consequences tied to his plea. This wasn't just a sentencing, it was a turning point, and perhaps a final one. With this plea locked in, Ramirez faces a future that includes significant prison time, deportation, and a long road ahead, one that began far before these offenses, and will continue long after. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one,